All right, new tonight, the CDC relaxed its guidance on social distancing in classrooms. They say it's safe for students to sit 3 feet apart if they're wearing masks, which is half of their previous recommendation. CDC Director Dr. Rochelle Walensky said the change is based on research and meant to help schools reopen safely and remain open. So, could this new research offer a way to get more kids back into the classroom? Adiande Till looked into it.
For many charter schools, the social distancing has been one of the largest logistical barriers that they've had to bringing students back.
Shannon Hodge, founding executive director of the DC Charter School Alliance, says the CDC's new guidance on social distancing in the classroom is a game changer for their 44,000 students.
We could be seeing a significant change in in-person instruction next school year and potentially before then.
The new guidance from the CDC removes recommendations for plastic shields or other barriers between desks, advises at least 3 feet of space between desks in elementary schools, even in towns and cities where community spread is high, and says spacing can also be 3 feet in middle and high schools, as long as there's not a high level of community spread. If there is, spacing should be at least 6 feet. Based on this chart from the CDC showing thresholds for community transmission of COVID-19, DC, Maryland, and Virginia have high levels of transmission. The guidance maintains that 6 feet of distance be kept between school staff and students, and during school gatherings like lunch, chorus practice, assemblies, and sports events. So how quickly will this new guidance be implemented in schools? Hodge says it could take some time.
And so there's some concern that if you make shifts too quickly and then you have to shift back, that you've actually lost ground that you may have gained.
In a statement to WUSA 9, Montgomery County Public Schools say MCPS welcomes the new guidance and will continue to work closely with state and local health officials, as well as community members and stakeholders regarding the safe implementation of the new measures. Next month, Loudoun County Public Schools is expanding its hybrid learning program. They say that's when they'll be reducing in-class social distance to 3 feet for students. DCPS, on the other hand, says it's waiting for guidance from the DC Department of Health.